What are Kanban swim lanes and why use them? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your study tasks and wished for a clearer way to manage them? If so, Kanban swim lanes might be just what you need. So, what are Kanban swim lanes and how can they help you with your academic goals? Kanban swim lanes are horizontal rows on a Kanban board that help organize and separate tasks based on specific categories. This setup allows you to break down your workflow into manageable sections. By doing this, you can visualize, prioritize, and track your progress more effectively. At the heart of a Kanban board, tasks are displayed as cards that move through columns representing different stages of work, like to do, in progress, and done. Swim lanes add another layer of organization by dividing the board horizontally. This means you can group related tasks together, such as by priority or subject, all within the same board. So, why should you consider using Kanban swim lanes for your studies? First, they help clarify your priorities. You can separate tasks by importance or complexity. For instance, you might place high-priority study goals in one lane and less urgent ones in another. This way, you can focus on what matters most first. Next, swim lanes improve workflow visibility. By grouping tasks by category, you can easily see what is being worked on, what is pending, and where potential bottlenecks might be. This clarity supports better time management and helps you sequence your tasks more effectively. Another benefit is increased flexibility. As your goals or projects evolve, you can adjust your swim lanes. You might start with lanes based on subjects and later change them to reflect different types of assignments or deadlines. This adaptability keeps your study plan relevant and effective. Swim lanes also enhance focus and productivity. A clear visual path for tasks within each lane helps you maintain concentration. This structured approach reduces the chance of overlooking important steps, supporting steady progress toward your academic objectives. If you are managing multiple study projects, swim lanes allow you to track each one separately while keeping everything organized on a single board. This prevents confusion and improves your overall organization. In practical terms, you can use Kanban swim lanes to separate tasks by subject, like math, history, or science. This helps you monitor progress in each area. You can also divide work by task type, such as reading, writing, or revision, to balance different activities. Additionally, you can highlight urgent assignments or upcoming exams in a dedicated swim lane to ensure timely completion. Long-term projects can be tracked alongside daily study tasks by using different lanes. In summary, Kanban swim lanes provide a simple yet effective way to organize your study tasks visually. They help you maintain clear priorities, monitor your progress, and adapt your plans as needed to achieve your academic goals efficiently.